Hello everyone, welcome to my brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete on your Instagram account. If you want to delete your Instagram account, watch the video attentively. First, to access our Instagram apps, after that you need to enter your profile. You can see that you have to click on three-dot line at the top. Just click on setting. And click on help. Click on help center. It will be processing. And click on three-dot line. And click on manage your account. Finally, you can see that delete option and tap on delete account. You can see here there are three options. You can select one option from here. How do I delete my Instagram account? You can scrolling and finally you got delete your account option. And click on delete your account option. Finally, your Instagram account is deleted. So if you new here in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video.